you get one thing where you go miss, you know we get this 5 marks. Now see, they say evaluate the indefinite integral. Make I stay here, break everything down so that if you be beginner for calculus, make you begin to pay attention to this, because if you repeat this question for your school or for another year. So what you go do be say, as you see the question, you say take the integral of 4x cubed minus 6x plus 5 with respect to x, and a 5 marks. What will be indefinite? For them to mention indefinite integral, it means you get another one you call definite integral. That means indefinite integral now be this elongated s. We no carry anything. If they can't talk about definite integral, definite, it means that one go still there like this, but you go fit carry maybe b for up and a for down, or something else for up. If it be maybe negative infinity and 0 for down, if it be different numbers, different things if it there. And that one where they call definite integral. This one they call an indefinite integral. So now what we want to do, we want to solve this one. I'm going to show you step by step. The formula where you need to carry solve this thing, they're very simple. Now the power rule of integration. The power rule now be say, some people they like to put I like this, integral equal to, because say x to the power of n, you can add 1 to that n divided by just the new value. This is where they up, photocopy and come down. When you don't photocopy and come down, just add c to it. But the standard way is supposed to write them now, integral of x to the power of n with respect to x equal to, write this right hand side, x to the power of n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. So what it means is say, anything will be power, like here now, power here now 1. This 5 where they alone, you get x for the back, or like get x to the power of 0. You know say x to the power of 0 now 1. So you get x to the power of 0. So you get 3 here, power 3 here, get power 1 here, and power x to the power of 0 behind 5. Where your eye no go fit see them, I will bring her up when I want to solve. Just for you to understand how you take do this thing. I will show you 5 steps to kind of get the 5 marks and what you no go miss. So make we start. Now make you remove this one. What you can do first? First, clear this thing. I will use this integral sign, clear the first one, 4x cubed. Bring this one lap am and then close them. I'll close this one to minus integral of 6x dx plus integral of 5 dx. What I just do is say I just use this guy this side, carry multiply each of them, use 2 of them, multiply the second one, use 2 of them, multiply the third one. That be the first step. That be the first step. Oh, if you do this thing like this, you don't earn 1 mark. You won't get the 5 marks. Just stay with me. If you never share this video, share. If you never like this video, like. If you never even subscribe to this YouTube channel, hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so that when I upload new video, you'll see. And if you get another school, what I do for your own school, put them for comment section. This one at Abia State University, now you get this one. Okay, so what I can do now, the second step, they want make you remove this particular constant, then where they are, this 4, 6, 5. If this guy is then they're not going to integrate this thing. I want to take remove and carry and confront. So you get 4 integral of s cubed dx minus, bring 6 confront, 6 integral of x dx, bring 5 confront, 5 integral of, I feel write just dx. If I feel write x to the power of 0 to dx, now the same thing. Why? Because if I come up 5 here, which is the remainder now 1, and x raised to the power of 0 now still 1. And why I put them like this, so that you go see the connection. If you even put x to the power of 1 here, make you see the connection, how I want to use that formula, carry and do them. You know, go confused again for integration. If you don't start here, they learn. If you be engineering student, you know, start here, understand and where. When they go deep, you know, go fit do anything. Let me tell you. Step 2, you don't earn 2 marks with that. So now, what you gonna do? Apply this integration sign. This right hand side where I say x to the power of n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. This one are for integral of x to the power of n dx. We'll apply this power rule now. For the first one, remember say nothing there will be 4. So just put 4, make it there on your own. Then now here you apply and this x that this same x. The power now 3. It means anywhere you see n, you put 3. You don't finish. So x to the power of 3 plus that 1 where they there for the formula divided by 3 plus 1. Remember say anything where they up, now end they down. This one where they up, now end they down. No why I supposed to write plus c. But as I never integrate this one and this one, I don't go write them until when I remove this integration signs, finish. Now I go add this plus c. And what will be the c? C now the constant of integration. You need to put them anytime you remove the integration sign. Very important. We call them arbitrary constant. Arbitrary means say this c if it be any value. This c if it be 5. This c if it be 20. This c if it be 100. If it be any number where they your mind. I dey explain everything make you no make mistake for life. I go lie for you. So I don't integrate this one. Now minus 6 into this one now. X now in be this x. The power we see na 1. So anywhere I see n, 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus 1. I don't finish with that one. Plus the last one, 5 into x to the power of 0. N will be 0 now. Plus 1 divided by 0 plus 1. You see now, integration sign no dey here. I want to add plus c. If you miss this particular c, you go lose mark for this particular. If you even lose the entire 5 marks, because it cause problem. It cause problem for engineering. It cause problem for life. Even if it is science, it cause problem. If the mathematics department, anywhere it did, they cause problem to mathematics. I will lie for you. So this one now, you don't earn 3 marks. How I want to earn the remaining 2 marks or to finish up the work? Make we do it quick. So you should say 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 will give you waiting 4 now. So x to the power of 4 divided by 4 minus 6 into x to the power of 2 divided by 2 plus 5 into x to the power of 1 divided by 1 plus c. 4 marks. But the last marks be this one we won't get. The last mark we're supposed to get. Now to know say this 4 and 4 will cancel. These 2, if you go into 6, it will go only 3 times. Nothing else. Just bring out everything we remain. Will be in this case now. I don't know whether you're supposed to see I'm here. So I suppose can go up. Make it end here. So x to the power of 4. If 4 and 4 cancel, x to the power of 4 will remain. Bring the sign with there minus 3 times x squared. Now 3x squared. Bring the sign with there plus. Remember, say x to the power of 1 now x. If x divided by 1, now still x. So 5 times x will give us 5x. Plus, if you miss to write this c, you don't enter 1 chance. Now the 5 marks. Now like this, you take it more. So if you want me to do the 1B, put them for comment section. And if you want me to do for your own school, let me know too. I will start for a different school for this country and outside this country. That's what they do. And if you're ready for one-on-one section, I they're active. If you want to make I teach all and class people, now let me know. My number there everywhere. This video don't help you, Abby. I make it like I'm now. Subscribe to, share, comment. I will see. Do this thing now to support me. If not, as I do like this for you now, you know support me. You know be better person. I will like for you. Till next time.